Okay, so we're going to look at practice problem 9.9 from the Hyat book on the 7th edition. There's a practice problem 9.9 on page 395. And if you don't have the text, 353, if you don't have the textbook, don't worry. Here's a problem. So you have a circuit that has a current source IS, and it feeds into a network of resistor 20 ohm, an inductor 10 to the minus 3 Henry, and a capacitor 10 to the minus 5 farad. Here you have a VR, and here you have a IL, a current, and here you have a VC, the voltage drop across the capacitor. Alright, the input current is 10 U minus T minus 20 UT. Here, let's try to find out what is the IL at 0 minus. And second, let's find VC at 0 plus. And C, let's find VR at 0 plus. And D, let's find IL at infinity. Alright, so we know the IS is composed of two elements. One is a 10 U minus T. This is what 10 U minus T looks like. And the other one is minus 20 UT. And this is what minus 20 UT looks like. Okay. So at T equals to 0 minus, the circuit looks like this. You have a 10 feeding into something that looks like this. So from here, you know that the current running through IL has to be equal to 10. And you know the voltage that develops across VR has to be equal to IL times the resistance. Okay, and you know what the VC is. So IL at 0 minus has to be equal to 10 amp. Okay. VC at 0 plus has to be equal to VC at 0 minus, because the voltage across the capacitor does not change. So VC at 0 minus is R, which is 20 ohm, times a 10 amp current. So it's equal to 200 volts. Alright. VR at 0 plus is equal to 20 ohm times IL at 0 plus. And because we know IL at 0 times 0 plus is the same as IL at T equal to 0 minus, so this happens to be equal to 200 volt as well. Okay. What is the IL at T equals to infinity? Okay, at t equals to infinity, basically you have a minus 20 running across this device.